everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, I have a review for you today. The lovely people at Sunuv very kindly sent me this lamp for review. So I'm going to show you the lamp and then I'm going to do a tutorial and actually test the lamp out, so we'll see how it goes. So this is the box. Obviously it came with packaging. Now they did send me a plug as well because obviously I'm in Australia and I think this plug is potentially a European plug. So I'm going to get it out the box, remove all the packaging and have a bit of a chat about the lamp. Okay, so the lamp has all of the sensors obviously inside here, so you can see them here. It's got a nice height to it, so if you do pedicures, that's great. And it's also really, really roomy. When you pop your hand in, you've got all of this room. So if you're uncoordinated like me and you clonk your hands on the sides of lamps, you shouldn't do it in this one because there's quite a bit of room. And that's my hand. Okay, I'm touching the back of the lamp with my nails now. Bearing in mind I do have long nails, so you can comfortably pop your hand in. Timers, you have 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then your 99-second low heat mode. That's what you use if you want to avoid heat spikes. I am dying to try this out. It is a feature I've seen crop up on a lot of new lamps now, and it's a really good idea. I get hideous heat spikes, so I will try that and let you know. And then that is where your power goes. So I will just plug in the power cord and we'll have a look. So pop that in there. And it starts flashing, and then try the 10-second one. So you've got this kind of what they're calling a hidden display, which is actually really nice. It's quite subtle and I like that. So it's just about to turn off now. So I'm going to give it a go. I'm just going to not talk about it anymore and try it out, and I'll let you have my thoughts at the end. But we're going to do a tutorial. I'm going to use my Elsa hand from GLAM and I'm going to wing it because I've got no idea what I'm going to do. But I think I'm going to try out some of the new autumn colours that I have just purchased from Gel Bottle. So let's get to it. Done. I'll pop a better picture at the end. I just purely wanted to play with a couple of the Gel Bottle colours and see how they cured in the Sunuv lamp. So I've used their new Rose Gold, which is obviously this one here, and then I've used Berrylicious, which is the other three nails and the thumb. Now, absolutely gorgeous. They apply like a dream. I'm actually really, really impressed with these colours. They're super, super nice. They were actually opaque in one coat. Now this as well, a lot of kind of leafy products or glitters, because this is like a very fine gold leaf, a lot of them pull off when you're applying them, and I didn't find that at all with this one. So really nice and no issues curing whatsoever. I did do a 60-second cure just to be on the safe side, but it is a 48-watt lamp. I didn't mention that at the beginning, so there'll be no issues with pretty much any brand of gel polish that you use. So couldn't rave about the gel polish highly enough. Now the lamp, I'm just going to zoom way out because as you can see it's quite zoomed in. Now the only thing that I've noticed about this is the only way to turn it off is at the power point, or if you pull this out, there's no actual off switch here. So that's the only thing that I have noticed, but no biggie because you can just pull this out or turn it off at the plug. But really, really nice lamp. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you have any comments or questions, you want to know anything more about the lamp, pop it in the comments box and I will get back to you. Thumbs up if you like the video. As I said, I will link all of the products that I use below. Massively rate the lamp. I think I am actually going to swap this for the one that I'm currently using and continue using this on my desk for the time being. I will also get back to you about the heat spikes, because obviously today I didn't test out the low heat mode, but I will do, and I'll actually do a video at some point on it as well. And please subscribe if you haven't, guys. I'm super, super close to 15,000 subscribers, and that's super exciting. And I've said super a lot, so I'm going now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.